Hey guys, it's Nancy with Better Life Blog, and today I'm super excited because we are making this awesome pencil. This is gonna change your weeding game. It's amazing. You guys have to make yourselves one of these because it's going to save you so much stress when it comes to weeding. It makes weeding just super precise, and the great thing is that you probably have most, if not all, of the materials already in your house. If you don't, they're super cheap to buy just at Target or whatever. So it's going to be really easy for you to make, so stay tuned and watch how you can make one of your own. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Nancy, and I love to create and design Cricut and silhouette crafts and projects. I have a ton of cut files that I've designed myself. I have a bundle for every single season, plus a whole bunch of other really cute files. You can check it out on betterlifeblog.com. And then I also have a really awesome crafting club. It's called the VIP Crafters Club. It is every single month. I will provide you with all the cut files that you need. I will provide you with a list of materials and the instructions to do it. And we also meet once a month and we have a crafting party. And then you also get a whole bunch of other cut files. So if you are interested in signing up or learning more about that, you can go to betterlifeblog.com/VIP. You can either sign up or get on the wait list.
Okay, so let me just show you how cool this pin pen is. Basically, when you click on the button, the tip is a needle and it's super sharp. It is great for weeding. It's great for precise weeding, and I just love the kind of control that I have with this thing. I could just go and just take out small pieces really, really easily. So not only can you actually click it and it pushes out the needle, you can also close it just like you would a mechanical pencil, and it just goes back in. So you click the button, press it down, press the needle down, and then it goes in. So what you're going to need is you're going to need this kind of quick click. I got the 0.7 millimeter. It's a Pentel mechanical pencil, and you want to make sure that you get the kind with this tip that screws off. That's really important because we're going to need to screw off the tip for this process. The next thing you're going to need is you're going to need some assorted needles. I already found the exact right size after testing, but you're going to need to try it. And then I also use a hair tie in this tutorial as well. Okay, so you want to take out your mechanical pencil, and then you just want to press it down and pull out. While you're pressing, you want to pull out that piece of lead that's already in there. Okay, and then the next thing you're going to want to do is you want to carefully screw off the tip and just remove it. And you want to make sure if there's a little piece of rubber in there, you just want to be careful not to let that get out. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do is you want to find the right size. Again, this might take a couple tries for you to find the exact right size of needle. But what you want to do is you are going to want to be pressing down on this button, and just to make it easier, you want to get your hair tie and you want to just tie it around a couple times, because you really need to keep this button down, and you're going to need your hands free because you're going to be doing something else at the same time. So what you're going to do is, if you carefully look, you just want to press this part down right here, and you're going to see it kind of opens wide like an alligator's mouth. And then you want to take the eye of the needle and you want to push it through, and so now it's really secure in there, just like that. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to take that tip of the pencil and you're going to push it back in. And then before you actually can screw it in, you're going to need to remove that hair tie. And then once that hair tie is off, you can actually screw it back in really easily. And then there you go. Now all you have to do is just click, 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 and it comes out. Click, 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 and you can push it back in. Super duper simple. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, found it useful. And if you did, I would absolutely love it if you would share this video with all your crafting buddies. Thank you so much, and have a wonderful day.